how to log in after registration on the SalesV CRM. This training video focuses on explaining how to log in to SalesV post-registration. By this point, you should have already set up the organisation on the platform and hopefully have saved your welcome registration email from SalesV, which will give you your username, your email address, and your SalesV password. To go ahead and log in, go to the top right of the screen and find the login button. This will now open up the sign-in page. On the sign-in page, you simply need to enter your email address and your password. For speed of process, you can copy and paste the login details from your welcome registration email and enter these details onto the relevant sign-up boxes. Let's now go ahead and fill in your login details. Make sure you double-check all contact details are correct and ensure you use the password that we have uniquely generated for your company. At this point, tick the reCAPTCHA box, which will stop robots attempting to access your account. Once ticked, your sign-up button will then become available to select. Click the Sign Up button now and you will now be successfully logged into SalesV.